लोकसभा अध्यक्ष ओम बिर्ला हांच्या आड हाडिल्ल्या अविश्वास प्रस्तावाची मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांच्यांनी याद करून दिली, जाचेर एक सप्तकभर चर्चा जाली आनी उपरांत तो निर्णायकपणान प्रस्ताव भायर मारलो. सभापती हो सभाघराचो राखणदार हे ह्या निकालांतल्यान स्पश्ट जाता. भारताच्या लोकशायेची तांक आनी लवचिकता आनी संसदीय मार्गदर्शक तत्वां पाळपाचे म्हत्व ह्या निकालांतल्यान दिसून येता म्हूण मुखेलमंत्र्यान मुखार म्हटलें. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Let me address the recent Parliament event. On the 11th of the March 2026, the Lok Sabha considered as the rare no confidence motions against our Honorable Speaker Sri Om Birla ji. In Indian history, the motion against the speakers are extremely unusual. The motion was debated amidst much controversial, but I'm proud that the democratic process has prevailed. The motion was decisively defeated by the voice of vote. This outcome reaffirmed a fundamental truth of the parliamentary practice. The speaker is not the party figure, but it is a custodian of the house. As Home Minister Amit Shah ji rightly remarked, the speaker serves as a natural custodian representing both the ruling and the opposition. These episodes through the tense showed that the democracy is strong, and it is a reminder for all the legislature respected rules of the house, given every member's changes to speak and trust our institutions. Once the voice vote was taken, the motion was rejected, the order is restored, and the house could be moved forward with the people's business. As a legislature, we must uphold the spirit, the mutual trust, and work with only the one vision in mind, that is the public service. Our debates can be the strong and our conviction firm, but the house should never be the descent into the chaos. The confidence motions and was overcome because the majority stood our constitutional priority, the value lessons for the legislature practice everywhere.